Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce network technology apart. The people who are engaged with this business, or if you want to make this sort of things, if anybody asks you, can you make a patch cord? Can you make a network cable? Can you connect the two computers with a cable? Then no, that I can't do. Let them do something like that. Oh, that is a little bit difficult. I don't know the combination and all. That I know. I faced also that sort of things because when I was doing this job, it's quite long back, in the year of 1995 I've started. Then networking to an institute or office was very important at that time. And I was doing also very efficiently these things because I had also very special tools for this purpose. And I used to get these things, get the job done because of my instruments. I have very little instruments, very small instrument for this purpose, but very efficient work. You see, the professional work, you have to do it in a professionally and professional way. That is, it is not new, I know it very well. You can do it also easily, successfully. But how much you are doing these things professionally, that is the thing. Those who are involved into the hardware computer networking business, they may see also this video. Also maybe for them this is also interesting. And also the newcomers, the new students, they are also involved with some network study like CCNA course or some other courses. Yeah, they might be also knowing these things. It is just a recapitulation for them also how to make a patch cord for this purpose.
Clip RJ45 clip RJ45 clip. We are going to make that sort of patch cable but little bit longer.
I have brought these cables from my office today. I want to show you how to make it. Okay, and for this purpose I may need two tools. One is called this one, which is called crimping tools. And another one, which is small one, this is called wire cutting tools. This is very, very important and efficient one, this small guy. Yeah. And I will not prefer to do any sort of bending of this cable for getting that cover of the copper wire out. That is not good. And another thing is that you may use this sort of instrument. Okay, you can do it also with this, make it round, low like this, twisting like this and this way. It may damage inside the copper wire, and it may also scratch in the copper wire. And for that reason, so I will use this sort of instrument for this purpose. Okay. Now, how to do these things? This part, I've already used these things. Cut this cable. Yeah. I will take this cable. This one. This is a very simple instrument. Just push it inside with the first one and just you round it. Take a little bit bigger one. This one. Yeah. This much. And this round one, to do it very easily, you can take it out. See? Okay. Don't use these sort of things to make this.
और LAN केबल और पैच केबल बनाने के लिए ये कनेक्शन को आप इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और एक डायरी में लिख लीजिएगा कैसे तरह कनेक्शन होता है RJ45 का कनेक्शन पैच केबल by patch cord. This is format we have to take T568B T568B and then the बीच में आपको वो होगा clip RJ45 clip. This is RJ45 plug or clip, whatever, and this connection you see from the left side, number 1 connection ऐसा तरफ होगा. So this is white of orange, white of green, blue, and blue of white, white of blue, and then green, and white of brown, and brown connections. So ये ठीक से कनेक्शन होना चाहिए, पर ऐसा तरफ होना चाहिए. हाँ, उसका विन्यास भी ऐसे तरफ होना चाहिए. करने के बाद now you have to follow it. जैसे प्लग को जैसे नीचे करके रखिए, उसको नॉच जो है नीचे तरफ रहेगा, वो आप दाहिने हाथ में रखिए. इसको ओपनिंग जो है ओपनिंग साइड में आप बाएं तरफ रखिए और नीचे रखने के बाद ये बाएं तरफ से 1-2 करके हिट तक होगा, इधर से इधर तक. ठीक है. अभी तो हम क्लिपिंग करेंगे, मेरे को दूसरा कैमरा में जाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. तो ये तो हम स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा हूँ, उसके बाद हम आपको दिखाएंगे कैसे तरफ क्या बनाना होता है एंड टेस्टिंग. अभी ओके, अभी इधर रखता हूँ, मैं दूसरा जगह प्रैक्टिकल में देख लेता हूँ. थैंक यू.
Then you cut this cable. Be like this. If you insert it, should be like this. Properly done. Now check these things. Yeah, it is properly done. Now I will use this one, the clamping tools. Push it here down. Yeah, this one way. Yeah, one way. Then I will press it thrice. 1, 2, 3. So in this way, both sides I have already done. Now it became a patch cord.